This is the quick start guide for Dr. Ho's Pain Therapy System Pro. Now, the biggest difference of our Pain Therapy System Pro unit is that it is rechargeable. Unlike our other systems, it does not run on AAA batteries. It actually has a rechargeable adapter that you can plug into the wall, charge it up every time you need to use it. The first time when you get it home, we do recommend charging for 3 to 4 hours just to make sure you have the full power for the first time you use it. Now, the next thing you need to know is when you turn it on, there are 2 ports. Now, these 2 ports are independently controlled. We have plus and minus buttons on each side. So the plus and minus on this side control this port. The plus and minus on this side control this port. Now, the universality of it is the timer is for both sides and the mode is for both sides. So when selecting your treatment, select how long you want your treatment for, 20, 30, or 40 minutes, and then select which mode you want, A, B, C, D, E, F, or all. From there, you can select how intense you want your treatment to be. So here, I am going to use 2 of the small pads on one side. Now, whenever you're doing a pad placement, make sure they are the same size pads. So you're going to want to do 2 small pads or 2 large pads at the same time. Don't mix and match. You don't want to have one small, one large. And then let's say I'm going to do the foot pads. So I'm going to spray the foot pads while I'm using them. I'm going to put them on my feet. And then when I turn it on, I would then select a 20-minute treatment, say. I will select mode C. And I'm going to want the foot pads maybe on 5 or 6, and the pads on my arm on maybe only a 2. So you can see how you can customize the treatment there. Don't worry if you have any questions. There is a quick start guide that is also included when you open the box. At the end of your session, you're going to want to remove the pads. Now, don't pull on the wire. You're going to pull directly on the pad, and you'll always replace it back onto the plastic. So that's what you do when you are complete. And when the timer does go off, the sleep timer, you are just going to want to make sure that you turn it from on to off to make sure that you keep the battery at its longest life. And until next time, we'll see you then.